So now we're going to look at one more time this number 7. This should be very similar to the euros, converting to gallons, liters ideas, except for we're looking at milk. Who doesn't like milk? We're from Wisconsin. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so looking at this information given, I know I got 372 gallons, so I'm just going to write $3.72 is equal to 1 gallon of milk. And I'm wondering how much in Europe it would be given the following information. 1 gallon is 3.78 liters and $1 is 0.82 euros. So let's just start off with our T-chart. And I want this to eventually become European. So it's got to be euros, the price, and Europe also uses liters. So it's got to be over 1 liter. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start by entering in the price of milk. So it is $3.72 over 1 gallons. Okay, so let's convert this to euros. So if I want euros to be up here, and I know that dollars would be down here to cancel out my dollar symbols, I have 0.82 euros over $1. Okay, so now my label is euros over gallons. Okay, well I need it to be euros over liters because I'm in Europe and we have to be different for some reason. So I want liters. Do I want liters up here? Nope, actually I don't. Right, so be careful. We want liters to be down below because it's euros per 1 liter. So we want liters to be down below, which means that gallons is going up above. And gallons is going to cross off. And now I can plug in my label here. So in 1 gallon, there's 3.78 liters. So if I open up my handy dandy calculator, I can take my 3.72 times my 0.82. That will equal that. And then I divide by the 3.78, and I get a fancy answer of 0.81. We'll call it euros over liters. And that's how we convert this problem, and I hope it helps.